Guys, but before he met me, he background checked me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You don't have horseradish leaves frozen?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Dito na rin tayo. Nag-start na ako dito. 8 o'clock na ng umaga. Uminom ako ng tubig. Hindi pa ako nag-coffee. I have white bread here, so I guess I'll use this rye bread. Kailangan ko lang i-ano tong mga ito. Ilagay ko sa basura po ito guys. Ang daming libro. Mga basura yan. And busy-busyhan din si Mr. Anuhin ko lang to guys, asikasuhin kasi punta ako ng Asian store mamaya. Kailangan ko lang ng mga may storm daw, may snow. Kailangan kong I need to go early, not like dark night han. Yeah, may snow guys, so we're not in Toronto. Why they're in Toronto now? Okay guys, I will see you later. National. Okay guys, I will see you later. Guys, my husband, you want to know my real age guys?
Good morning, Lauren.
It's right here. It's in the coffee cup.
No.
Then we've been robbed.
That's it. That's it. I love him. I love him. People, you know what? They don't comment this mean bashers I have here in my YouTube.
Why do you kiss?
So some of the bashers, they don't wanna comment in the video in YouTube, but they will send me private messages. It's so weird, honey. It's so weird. Oh, you come to the US, you're just using your husband. I just used you to be here.
No, I took care of that beforehand.
What do you mean by take care of that beforehand?
I got you the lawyer and stuff, so you were so you had your green card. You didn't have to be with me. Matter of fact, I told you not to. I just got you the lawyer to do your green card for you.
Yeah, he
To
does.
get you out of the problems that you had.
The beginning is he really doesn't want me. I mean, but you like me?
Yeah, I was trying to help you get out of the situation you were in. That was.
Yeah. So, but I don't really use him, guys. He's just a good guy, helping me. But I see he's so good. Even his hair is everywhere. He's a good person. He's willing to help me, guys. But before he met me, he background checked me. You did, honey. You did background check me because why my number is Florida, Texas.
Oh yeah.
And then I was in Florida. He did background check.
Well, yeah, a lot of scammy crap was on this country.
A lot of scam daw. Pero
Country voter was scammy crap.
yeah, yung cellphone number ko kasi noon is sa Texas kasi taga Texas yung una kong lalaki. And then nakatira kami sa Florida. So yun, di background check siya. Bakit Texas itong number and then nasa Florida siya. So I'm going to leave my husband early. Hopefully it's not keep snowing since yesterday in your upstairs. Did you look at the camera?
No, I didn't look at the outside camera.
Ito guys is gift ito ng kapatid ni Tami. I am 50 plus 1. Hello ka. Kailangan din yan ng haircut. Sa Thursday, you have appointment, right? Yes, dentist appointment, and that means his haircut probably next week, right? I'm coming back here again next week, or you wanna go to our house?
Hi, my name is Roseanne. I've lost
You want our
46
house?
pounds on lipozene.
He need haircut
8 inches
bad.
off my waist, and I feel
Haircut so
amazing.
bad. I don't know guys, itong bahay ni Bianan matagal pa talaga tong linisin. Or matagal pa. Kasi kapag magtapon ka na, ito tinitignan ka niya. Kapag magtapon ka na ng basura, yung mga kahit anong ilagay mo na sa bag para itapon, ito. Parang iwan ko na lang talaga. Iba yung tripping nito. Iba yung tripping talaga. Tripping. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Alam nyo ba, na-notice ko sa asawa ko. Na-notice ko sa kanya, hindi siya masaya kapag naglilinis ka or may ginagawa ka, yung parang mag-impake, ganon, or tinitignan mo at tinatapon mo like that. Kasi mga binibili niya, na-expire. Ang dami kasi guys, mga canned food, mga medicines, sayang talaga. Kasi parang ayaw niyang gawin, parang sa tingin ko parang ayaw niyang iwan itong bahay. Parang yun yung naano ko sa kanya na parang ayaw niyang iwan. Yung kahit anong kadumi or kahit anong kadaming gamit na dapat ayusin or ipapak or itatapon, parang ayaw niya. Parang hindi siya Diyan makikita ko sa mukha niya yung nag-ano ako. Pero kailangan talaga guys kausapin ko nga siya mamaya. At saka hindi naman siya pwedeng mag-stay dito ng matagal kasi ang mahal ng ano dito. At saka pag matapos yung pagwala ng pera sa bangko ni biyanan, pag wala na talaga, di wala na. Di paano na yun bayaran? May mortgage pa dito, mga electric, ganon. Paano na to? Nagkunin na ito ng bangko. And then, at saka yun yung sabi ko sa kanya. So, sa susunod, mga ilang weeks from now, kailangan nang i-empty yung mga furniture na dalhin sa bahay and then mag-hire ng tao para alsahin. Ilagay sa car, sa truck, and then ilagay sa bahay. Iwan ko. Tignan natin. Kasi parang ayaw talaga niya ano ko ba nasasad siya do. Nag-ano ako doon sa mga gamit ni biyanan, ang dami. And then aalis din kami, nag-andun siya sa taas, nagbihis. Pero nagbihis siya, pero parang ayaw niya ako. Bahala na. Kausapin ko siya mamaya. Ito ngayon, ibabble wrap ko na lang ito.
You're a blah blah blogger?
Look at that guys.
Blah blah blogger.
Look at that.
I blah blah all the time, blah blah blogger.
I'm wearing this because it's really useful, and jacket of course. He said you cannot bring your car key, but you bring your 2 cameras. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Hammer and Himmer. Do you know where is the Asian store? Huh?
Unless you want a different one.
What is different one?
The same one we always go to.
The one that we always go to.
Yeah.
That's the same thing.
I know where it is.
Okay.
I would have brought you there.
No, you didn't introduce me that one.
Okay.
I researched online.
Well, yeah, okay.
It's 11:31 already, guys. The weather said it's going to snow, but when I look at the app, it doesn't say anything about snow.
You can look at 4 different apps.
I think you can go here.
You can look at 4 different apps and
I
get
think
4 different.
they're gone here.
Okay.
They covered it already. Look. Oh no. Shit. I'm wrong, Han. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, it says go. Where are you going? There's no space here.
Yeah, outside.
There's always a construction.
Everywhere. It's not even just here. It's everywhere you go.
Yeah, it's like this is in Pilang. I'm going to Asian store to get something like vegetables and what is that, Han? That calamansi thing?
Calamansi.
Calamansi seasoning like that, like calamansi soy seasoning.
So it's called calamansi.
Yeah, and also Lloydie want me to get a Knorr, the same liquid. She doesn't want the calamansi Maggi sabor. She want the Knorr. She like Knorr. Yeah, I'll make you rice and cook that.
Oh, I don't want rice. Why are you making me rice? All the stuff I'm not supposed to be eating.
Yeah, but you eat pasta.
That's why I said we gotta switch the pasta to the. I don't eat pasta that often. You would have me eat rice every day.
Every day? Are you serious, Tommy?
That's why I said you gotta switch to that Dreamfields pasta. It's supposed to not spike your sugar for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, it's still carbohydrates. Regular pasta makes your sugar go spike like this, and it fucks up your organs.
Oh, gee.
Supposedly that one doesn't have that effect.
Asian store na tayo. Kumuha ko ng paborito ko is Spanish bread. Yun. Meron silang balot dito eh. Asan yung balot nila? Dito, oh. Balot. I don't know kung ano. Oh, meron silang kimchi din dito. Meron silang kimchi. Frozen kimchi.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh.
Oh, meron din silang siopaw dito. Dito bili tayo ng kuha tayo ng ano guys. Yung paborito nating lemon, watermelon leaves. Excuse me. You don't have horseradish leaves frozen? It's a different one here.
Yeah.
Cassava. Is that horseradish?
Yes. This is
Okay, thank you so much. It's right here. Ito pala. Horseradish. Ayan. Tatlo. Meron din silang dito. Iba't iba. Ito gusto ko to noon ko. Gusto ko to. Pero ayaw ko na kasi hindi na ako palaging kumakain ng ano. Gusto ko kukuha ng Skyflakes kasi mura lang. Kimchi noodles. Meron silang mga pancit canton dito. Ayaw ko niyan. Ito pa. Munggo. Ano to? Ulo man to. Oh, bili tayo nito. Mamaya na yan kasi heavy. Oh, kopi ko. Yung bagoong din guys, hanapin natin. Sa kabila ata. Wala man silang nor. Wala silang nor, Lloydie. Kuha tayo kalamansi. Tatlo. Ano ito? Carne classic. Dalawa nito. Oh, meron pala. Dito guys. Yung malaki. Looking nor. Liquid. Malaki. Meron silang bangos dito. Kumuha ako ng dalawa dito. And kuha tayo ng oh, ang bigat. Sticky rice. Dito yung sticky rice nila. Ang bigat guys. Here. Kuha tayo. Sticky rice ba to? Okay. Sweet rice. How is that kind of meatballs you want?
Yeah.
This is what you
These
use?
ones that you said were good.
Okay.
You want some?
No, fun. Let's go. It's right there. Sa ano kami ngayon sa ShopRite. Okay, let's go. This way here. Like when did you see me eat cereal really? I just try to finish your cereals that you don't use. Alis na kami dito kasi kailangan kong umalis kasi mag-snow daw mamaya. Kaluka naman ito. Si Tami kapag mag-shopping talaga ang tagal matapos. Okay, where? So ngayon dito kami sa Yonkers. No, that's not. Right here. Careful. Nagpunta lang kami dito sa ShopRite kasi may kinukuha si Tami, may binibili si Tami na ano, tawag nito milk. And then suddenly, yung milk lang sana yung anuhin niya. Pero, alam nyo naman siya kapag mag-grocery. May mga extra pang anek. So, ganyan yan. He got some cooked food because he needs some food to eat.
Long Island as well.
Milk.
You got cooked food.
No, that cooked food is for you. Time check, it was 1 o'clock. And then we are... Oh guys, I found Daiso here. Merong Daiso dito. Look, Daiso. Yung nakikita ko sa YouTube, yung mga YouTuber na nagpunta sa Daiso, there's a lot of products for like makeup
But you got nothing.
stuff. Over here, they have like kitchen stuff, a house stuff.